Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd Collins. And first of all, I hope you had a very merry and awesome Christmas. I know I did because I got to spend it with my family doing the things that I love most, which is being with them. We even got to play with some RC cars a little bit at my sister's house. I took a couple of my drag cars out and let everyone play with those. It was a lot of fun. And that's what's so awesome about this hobby, you know, is it gets other people involved. You know, my nephews had never really played with RCs before, and they just had a great time. And now guess what? They're running out to their local hobby store to go look at some RC cars. So use these toys as tools to pull your family together. But I know, like many of you, guess what? For Christmas, I got RC stuff, and that's what we're gonna do some unboxing today. The very first one is, I showed the video a little while back of the Kyosho GTO, and I love that car. It's a lot of fun. It's fun to drive. The scale is amazing. And when I was at the store, I was really torn between the GTO and the El Camino, especially the black one. But the hobby store I was at did not have the black one, so it kind of made my choice a little easier. Well, for Christmas, my wife got me the Kyosho El Camino in the black. So today we're gonna do an unboxing on that. So let's get started. All right, here we go. Oh man, I tell you, I love Kyosho and the way they do their scale. I mean, it looks really good. Check this out. Oh. All right. All right, let's see. There we go. Yeah, man, this El Camino is really nice. We'll get to all the parts, but I have to peel off this plastic first. Wow. Look at this. There we go. That looks really good. All right, so let's do a proper unboxing of this. Okay, so here's what you actually get in the box. Of course, you get the manual. You get the instructions on how to hook the lights up, which is kind of nice. It has the buckets for the LED lights, which I really like. So hopefully I'm gonna get some lights. I looked online already. It looks like the Kyosho already back ordered. I was able to get them for the GTO, but didn't know I was getting that. I would have bought two. But anyway, so hopefully I'll get those to come in. If not, I have to use something else. Also in the box, you get a wrench, does the turnbuckles, and looks like the other screws and nuts on the car. You get a set of Allen wrenches. You get another set of hubs and disc brakes, or without the red caliper. You get the binding clip. And lastly, you get looks like just shock clips and an assortment of screws and turnbuckle ends. So that's what, and then also you get the transmitter, the Kyosho transmitter, the Synchro, which is really cool. I like theirs because it gives you all of the settings, right? Hopefully that's coming in. You get all the settings right there on the top of the transmitter for the trim and the dual rates, which is really kind of cool. So, and then also what's kind of nice is they have this switch, which I'm going to figure out how to use. I guess this is for actually turning lights on and off. So I'm going to look on the GTO, see if I can get that to work on the GTO, and hopefully when the lights come in for the Kyosho, I get that working as well. And of course, in the box, you get the car. So let's take a better look at the chassis itself. Okay, so here's the chassis. On the chassis, you got the 14-turn brush motor. Under here, I believe, is the waterproof ESC. It's really a nice setup. I like the way they got certain things covered up and makes it look really clean. You got your red aluminum shock caps. The other thing I may end up doing is also swapping out shocks for adjustable shocks. I just hate using these shock clips. I'm just not very good at that yet, and I haven't taken the time to learn how to do it right. But the chassis, I like the way it's set up, really nice. It's a nice looking car. Then with the body on, just sets it off even more. There you go. I think that's just a nice looking car. Kyosho's really good at the scale. So let's, the battery's over the charging. That's it back there. We're gonna get that finished charge, and then we're gonna just take it out and have some fun. So let's get these things charged, and I'll see you out on the street. Man, this thing drives nice. There's the Kyosho El Camino. This thing is a lot of fun. You guys saw this thing sliding around. It handled well. It looks well. I'm telling you, Kyosho really nails the scale. I mean, I love the bed, the way the bed looks, the stripes on the car, and it just drives really nice. It handles really nice. The brush system it's surprisingly pretty quick. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, do me a favor, click the like button, subscribe. It helps me grow the channel and get some more content out about our fun community of RC. So remember, you guys, just keep bashing, keep crawling, keep dragging, but most of all, keep having fun. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace.